Hi, this is Cassandra Lark, and today I'm going to show you how to free up some CPU so that your Logic Pro X can run more smoothly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the top left-hand side and click on Logic Pro X, scroll down to where it says Preferences and then down to Audio. You'll see right there your buffer size. Now, when I'm recording, I like to keep my buffer size a little bit lower so that I don't get any latency, but when I'm mixing, I bring it up as high as I can to 1024, and you'll see as soon as I click on Apply Changes that the CPU use will be much less. But as you can see, the CPU use is still riding around 50%, and I'm sure that if I press play, it's going to shoot all the way up. So the next thing we're going to do is freeze some of the tracks. So I'm going to right click on whichever track I want to freeze, and I'm going to scroll all the way down until I get to Configure Track Header. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that freeze is clicked on. Now I'm going to go ahead and freeze this top track by clicking on this little snowflake button. Now I can come over here to the left and click on freeze mode, and I can choose either source only or pre-fader, and let me tell you what the difference is. So with source only, you will only be freezing the instrument plugin, but with pre-fader chosen, you'll freeze the plugin plus the complete effect chain. It saves more CPU space, but you can't make any changes. Unless, of course, you unfreeze the track, which is very easy and instant. All you have to do is unclick the snowflake. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click all the snowflakes so that you can see just how much faster this program is going to run now. But of course, Logic still has to do its thing, and it has to process all of these frozen tracks. Depending on your computer and how many tracks you're freezing, this can take from a few seconds to a few minutes, but I'm just going to speed it up. And now, as you can see, the CPU is all the way down, and it's so much easier to record this way. You won't have any latency. It's awesome. Stay tuned for more tips from me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Flow, and how your eyes they shine like white gold. Anytime we go out anywhere, they say we're crazy, but I just don't care. Do you know where the party's at? Maybe we can hit the floor. Let's take a flight from MIA, we've got somewhere to explore. Let's take a chance on a last dance, go to friends, then we can bounce to Brooklyn to romance.